We are looking at how to pronounce this word, the name of this animal, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as Toucan. You do want to stress on the first syllable, Toucan. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as Toucan. You also want to stress on the first syllable, Toucan. Toucan in American English versus Toucan in British English. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.